What's the meaning of beatnik? Beatnik. Beatnik.
Beatnik. Beatnik. Beatnik is a term that was used to describe a group of writers and artists who emerged in the 1950s, particularly in the United States. These individuals were known for their unconventional lifestyles and their rejection of mainstream values. They often gathered in coffee shops and other bohemian establishments to discuss literature, music, and philosophy. The term beatnik is believed to have been coined by a San Francisco newspaper columnist, Herb Kahn, in 1958. Although some members of the Beat generation rejected the label, it became widely used and has since come to be associated with the movement as a whole.